Good morning, this is Elpus Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. Today is Monday, and I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. And this reading here now is for Gemini. Welcome, Gemini. The first deck is Tarot of the Divine. That card is for you the Six of Coins. It is about a woman who was kind to insects and is an Alaska Inuit tale. The Six of Coins represents kindness and generosity to those less fortunate. The old woman from this Inuit tale understands the need to put positivity into the world in order to receive it back. So the pay it forward mythology of karma. The card is about generosity, charity, kindness, value, and rewards. Card number 2 is from the Dungeons and the Dragons tarot deck. This deck was based on the computer game with the same name. And the card for you is the Ace of Intelligence. Saying to find your inner wizard and then use your using your genius to discover new ideas and to have breakthroughs. And the special message here is that the party meets a powerful wizard whom they may ask one question and then they will get a truthful answer from this wizard. The next card is from the Mindful Escapes meditation cards. And for you came out Tintagel. It's a castle and the ruins along the Cornish coastline in England. And here you can rest and find yourself sitting amongst the stone ruins, clinging to coastlines where once have been the seats of kings. This is a place where magic happens, a portal of the world where the great warriors and even the greater wizards, they still linger and they never really left. Here the air is full with another age between the scattered stones where wildflowers bloom in the patches of grass. And you look out to the horizon and you see indigo blue water of the ocean, which is inviting your gaze while the waves they lap against the shore. The swirling waves they circle the land, offering you a brief glimpse of this watery kingdom. And there, right here and now, you can be everything that you want to be. You can create your own story, and you have the power and the potential to manifest your future. And while you draw in a deep breath, your dreams unfold. Now we come to the Native American Oracle deck. And out for you came the card Taikomol, the god of rain. And Taikomol was once upon a time a creator god who was called he who sewed up the world or sewed up the world. He arose from the foam, from the water, the only thing that at that time existed. For the Californian Yuki, Taikomol is the one who walks alone, and so he created this world. And after creating this world, including the humans, and giving them the language, he ascended to the skies and now lives as an old wayfarer, a pilgrim of the heavens, detached from the lives of humans. When it rains, whenever life is nurtured and brought forth, we are reminded of his great gifts. There is a message here. Let the waters of your heart burst forth and nourish the world around you, and give with no expectation of any repayment. Keywords are gestation, solitude, fertility, some tears, cleansing, and healing. And the time of Taikomol, the god of rain, is autumn. The next card is the Goddess Temple Oracle card, and out came the Green Man. And the Green Man is also the Wise One, is the elder of the clan and the master of wisdom, the magician, the strategist, the teacher, the lord of time, being patient and far-sighted, the man of vision, able to practice and to transmit the rules of this healthy village in which we can live by respecting the dynamic balance and partnership. So the Green Man, he will guide you on the pathway towards understanding what you still need to learn in order to grow, and he will bring you the messages of your line of fathers and of your spiritual brothers. He will help you to see which parts of you need some renewing, developing, and re-evaluating in order to achieve ever greater wisdom. And the last card is from the lovely Animal Oracle deck. Out for you came the Lark. And the Lark is about vibration, joy, and care. The general message is that when you are happy, you send out a melody that makes everyone around you vibrate in the same way. So continue to be an ambassador of joy and do not allow others to destroy this energy within you. And say, I visualize me and sing with me. Strengths are you are a messenger of joy and of well-being, motivating and self-nurturing. Opportunities are that you are a healer or a holistic therapist. Weaknesses could be that you are vulnerable, innocent, and you believe too much in other people. And there are some dangers that you might be surrounded by jealous people. That was the reading for you, Gemini. Thank you for listening. I wish you a wonderful day today. I wish you a wonderful and great whole week. Sending love out to you. Take care and goodbye.